And we're back. This time I'm going to show you how to use the pen tool in Illustrator. Let's open a new document, have an artboard of 800 x 800, make sure RGB color is selected and click on Create. I'm going to show you the difference between the selection and the direct selection tool, which is important to understand how to use the pen tool in our following videos. Let's have a rectangle created, so activate the rectangular tool and drag a rectangle. We don't want to have a stroke, and make the fill color black. Now grab the selection tool and you can move the rectangle around. You can resize it, and you can even rotate it. If you rotate it while holding Shift, it will rotate in 45-degree steps. Let's create a second rectangle, this time with the fill color of red. Have the move tool once again selected. You can move it around, resize it, rotate it as usual. But there's another function with the selection tool. If you hold Ctrl and go to an anchor point, you can drag that onto another anchor point and make it snap. You can even hold Ctrl, go to a path, and drag the path and make it snap to another anchor point or path. These are the basic functions with the selection tool, but let's dive into the direct selection tool and the difference between it and the regular selection tool. Select the red rectangle, you can still move it around, but if you click on an anchor point, you have only the anchor point selected and not the whole rectangle anymore. And thus you can transform the rectangle with the direct selection tool. And then deselect everything, click on the red shape, and you can still move it around. Let's grab the selection tool once again, hold Ctrl, get to an anchor point and drag it onto another anchor point and it will snap. Go to a path, hold Ctrl and drag the path onto another path to make it snap. So this still works after you have transformed it via the direct selection tool. And this is the basic difference that you need to understand. The selection tool selects a whole object. The direct selection tool can be used to select only a certain point in a path or an object. And in the next video, we will dive into the pen tool. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.